Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadil Ahmad Ghani. Today, I'm gonna explain about my presentations, welder test AWSD 1.1 2020. My number student is 44 22 30 10 05. Okay, next slide. WAWS D1.1 2020. Scope. Qualification. This clause contains the requirement for qualification testing of welding procedure specification or WPSS and welding personnel. It is divided into your parts as follow. Part A, general requirement. This part covers general requirement of both WPS and welding personnel perform are requirements. Part B, welding procedure specification qualification. This part cover the qualification of WPS that is not classified are as pre-qualified in conformance with Clause 5. Part C, performance qualification. This part covers the performance qualification test required by the code to determine a welder's, welding operator, or tech welder ability to produce sound weld. Part D, requirement for CVN diagnosis testing. This part covers general requirement and procedure for CVN testing when specified by contract document. Next. General requirement, welding procedure specification. And the second is qualification responsibility. Its manufacturer or contractor shall conduct the test required by this code to qualify the WPS. WPS qualification to other standard. The acceptability of qualification to other standard is the engineer responsibility. Performance qualification of welding personnel. Welders, welding operator, and tech welder to be employed to weld under this code and using the SMEW, SEW, GMEW, GTA, VW, FCAW, ESYW, or EGW process shall have been qualified by the applicable test. And last is period of effectiveness. Common requirement for WPS and welding personnel performance qualification. The first is qualification to earlier and the edition. Qualification performed to and having met the requirement to earlier edition of EWSD D1.1 or AWSD 1.0 or AWSD 2.0. While those editions were in effect are valid and may be used. The use of earlier edition shall be prohibited for new qualification in lieu of the current edition, unless the specific early edition is specified in the contract document. Record of the test result shall be kept by the manufacturer or contractor or shall be made available to those authorized to examine them. Okay, this is the common requirement for WPS and welding personnel performance qualification for position weld. Okay, you can see that CGP group, the test position is 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G. And fillet test position is 1F, 2F, 3F, 4F. And group CGP, F, FH, V, OH. And group PGP, F, F, H, V, OH. And there's nothing at fillet. Okay. Type of qualification test. One is visual inspection. The second is NDT. The third is phase root and side bend. The fourth is radius direction tension before testing. The least width and corresponding thickness of the reduced section shall be measured. The specification shall be ruptured under tensile load at the maximum load shall be determined. The cross-sectional area shall be obtained by multiplying the width by the thickness. The tensile strength shall be obtained by dividing the maximum load by cross-section area. The tensile strength shall be no less than the minimum of the specified tensile range of the base metal shall use. The five all-well metal tension the test specimen shall be tested in conformance with ASTM A370 mechanical testing of steel product. The six is Macroach PGP groove weld. The actual weld size shall be equal to or greater than specified weld size. Fillet welds shall have fusion to the root of the joint, but not necessarily beyond. Minimum leg size shall meet the specified fillet weld size. The PGP groove weld and fillet weld shall have the following: A. No crack. B. True fusion between adjacent layer of weld metal and between weld metal and base metal. C. Weld profile conforming to specified detail, but with none of the variation prohibited in 1.23. D. No undercut exceeding 1 per 22 in 1 millimeter. Performance qualification. The performance qualification tests mandated by this code are designed specifically to assess the capability of welders, welding operator, or tech welder to produce quality weld. These tests are not meant to serve as instruction for welding or tech welding during actual contraction. Instead, welding during contraction must adhere to a welding procedure specification. Extent of qualification. PGP groove weld for non-tubular connection. Qualification for CGP groove weld shall qualify for all PGP groove weld. Fillet weld for non-tubular connection. Qualification of CGP groove weld shall qualify for fillet weld. Plug and slot weld. Qualification for CGP groove weld on tubular or non-tubular connection shall qualify for all plug and slot weld. The joint shall consist of 3 per 4 in 22 millimeters diameter hole in 3 per 8 in 10 millimeters thick plate with a 3 per 8 in 10 millimeter minimum thickness backing plate. And maybe that's all my presentation today. I hope we can understand what I say. Thank you, and as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.